Hello students, let us solve problem set 5, maths part 1. First question, choose the correct alternative answer for each of the following questions. First, which number cannot represent a probability? We know that the probability lies between 0 to 1 or 0% to 1%. So here the option B has the probability 1.5 which is greater than 1. So this number cannot represent a probability. So its correct option is B. Second question, a die is rolled. What is the probability that the number appearing on upper face is less than 3? Now if a die is rolled, then the sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means n of s is equal to 6. Now if A is the event that the number appearing on the upper face is less than 3, then A is equal to 1, 2. Therefore n of A is equal to 2, and therefore P of A is equal to n of A upon n of s, that means 2 upon 6 is equal to 1 upon 3, and so option B is the correct option. Third, what is the probability of the event that a number chosen from 1 to 100 is a prime number? Now we know that prime number means the number which is divisible by itself and number 1. That means it has two factors, the number itself and other factor is 1. So in between 1 to 100 there are 25 prime numbers. So the probability is 25 upon 100, that means 25 ones are 25 fours are. Option C is the correct answer. Fourth, there are 40 cards in a bag. Each bears a number from 1 to 40. One card is drawn at random. What is the probability that the card drawn bears a number which is multiple of 5? Now here n of s is 40 because there are 40 cards having numbers 1 to 40. What is the probability that the card bears a number which is multiple of 5? आता 1 to 40 मध्ये 5 चे मल्टिपल्स नंबर मीन्स 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and 40. That means these are 8 numbers. So the probability is 8 upon 40. Simplify केलं तर 8 ones are 8 5s are. So option A 1 upon 5 is the correct answer. Fifth question, if n of A is equal to 2, P of A is equal to 1 upon 5, then n of S is equal to question mark. We know that P of A is equal to n of A upon n of S. Now P of A is given 1 upon 5 is equal to 2 upon n of S. Cross multiply केलं तर 1 into n of S means n of S is equal to 2 5s are 10, and so option B is the correct answer. याचे एक्झाम मध्ये आन्सर्स लिहिताना तुम्हाला फक्त करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव्ह लिहायचं आहे, म्हणजे ABCD पैकी जो करेक्ट आहे ते लेटर आपल्याला आन्सर शीट मध्ये लिहायचं आहे. सेकंड क्वेश्चन, बास्केटबॉल प्लेयर्स जॉन, वसीम, आकाश were practicing the ball drop in the basket. The probabilities of success for John, Wasim and Akash are 4 upon 5, 0.83 and 58% respectively. Who had the greatest probability of success? मग आता इथे जॉनची प्रोबॅबिलिटी दिली आहे 4 upon 5 फ्रॅक्शनमध्ये, वसीमची दिलेली आहे डेसिमल फ्रॅक्शनमध्ये आणि आकाशची दिलेली आहे पर्सेंटेजमध्ये. आपण ही सगळी प्रोबॅबिलिटी पर्सेंटेजमध्ये कन्वर्ट करून घेऊया. मग 4 upon 5चे पर्सेंटेज करायचे म्हणजे डिनॉमिनेटर 100 करायचा. मग 5ला कितीने मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर 100 मिळेल तर 20ने. मग आपण डिनॉमिनेटर आणि न्यूमरेटर दोन्हींना 20ने मल्टिप्लाय करून घेऊ. तर इथे आपल्याला मिळेल 24 are 80 upon 100, दॅट मीन्स 80%. वसीमची दिली 0.83, डेसिमल पॉईंट काढून टाकलं तर 83 upon 100 असे लिहिता येईल, दॅट इज 83%. अपॉन 100 मीन्स 83%. आणि आकाशची आपल्याला 58% दिलेली आहे, म्हणजे इथे जर आपण बघितलं तर 83% ही वसीमची प्रोबॅबिलिटी जी आहे ती सगळ्यात जास्त आहे. And so who had the greatest probability of success? Its answer is Wasim had the greatest probability of success. Now third question, in a hockey team there are 6 defenders, 4 offenders and 1 goalie. Out of these, one player is to be selected randomly as a captain. Find the probability that the Find the probability of the selection that the goalie will be selected and a defender will be selected. बघ आता हॉकी टीममध्ये आपल्याला 6 डिफेंडर्स 4 ऑफेंडर्स आणि 1 गोली असं दिलेले आहे. म्हणजे टोटल प्लेयर्स जर आपण बघितले तर 6 + 4 + 1 दॅट इज इक्वल टू टोटल 11 प्लेयर्स आर देअर. आता पहिली प्रोबॅबिलिटी आपल्याला काढायची, द गोली विल बी सिलेक्टेड. आता गोली किती आहेत तर फक्त एकच गोली आहे. दॅट मीन्स गोलीच्या इव्हेंटला आपण ए मानलं तर एन ऑफ ए आपल्याला मिळेल 1 आणि हे एन ऑफ एस आपल्याला हे दिलेले आहेत 11. मग त्याची गोली सिलेक्ट करण्याची प्रोबॅबिलिटी जर आपण फाइंड केली तर एन ऑफ ए अपॉन एन ऑफ एस दॅट इज इक्वल टू 1/11. And second, if B is the event that a defender will be selected, how many defenders are there? 6 defenders are there. Therefore, n of B is equal to 6 and therefore P of B is equal to n of B upon n of S that is equal to 6/11 and therefore probability of selecting a goalie is 1/11 and a defender is 6/11. Now question number 4. Joseph kept 26 cards in a cap bearing one English alphabet on each card. One card is drawn at random. What is the probability that the card drawn is a vowel card? आता 26 कार्ड्स आहेत अल्फाबेट असलेले, म्हणजे सॅम्पल स्पेस एस आपल्याला घेता येईल ABCD अप टू XYZ. This will be sample space and therefore n of S is equal to 26. Now let A be the event that the card drawn is a vowel card. Vowel आपल्याला माहिती आहे AEIOU हे वॉवेल्स आहेत. दॅट मीन्स ए इव्हेंटमध्ये आपण AEIOU हे वॉवेल्स घेऊ शकतो. Therefore n of A is equal to 5 and therefore P of A is equal to n of A upon n of S that is equal to 5/26. Now question number 5. A balloon vendor has 2 red, 3 blue and 4 green balloons. He wants to choose one of them at random to give it to Pranali. What is the probability of the event that Pranali gets a red balloon, a blue balloon and a green balloon? आता इथे 2 रेड बलून्स आहेत, त्यांना आपण R1 R2 म्हणूया. Here there are 2 red balloons R1 R2. Then 3 blue balloons त्यांना आपण B1 B2 आणि B3 म्हणूया. and 4 green balloons त्यांना आपण G1 G2 G3 आणि G4 म्हणूया. मग सॅम्पल स्पेस काय मिळेल आपल्याला? therefore S is equal to R1 R2 B1 B2 B3 G1 G2 G3 and G4. म्हणजे टोटल सॅम्पल पॉइंट्स आपल्याला किती मिळाले? 2 + 3 5 + 4 9. n of S is equal to 9. आता ए हा इव्हेंट आपण असा घेऊया. लेट ए बी द इव्हेंट दॅट प्रणाली गेट्स अ रेड बलून. मग रेड बलून म्हणजे ए इव्हेंटमध्ये फक्त आपल्याला काय घेता येईल? R1 R2 म्हणजे n of A मिळाला 2. therefore P of A is equal to n of A upon n of S that is equal to 2/9. Let B be the event that the Pranali get a blue balloon. आता ब्ल्यू बलून 3 आहेत, म्हणजे B मध्ये आपल्याला काय घेता येईल? B1 B2 B3. therefore n of B is equal to 3. therefore P of B is equal to n of B upon n of S that is equal to 3/9 that is equal to 1/3. Now let C be the event that Pranali gets a green balloon. मग C मध्ये आपल्याला काय काय घेता येईल? G1 G2 G3 and G4. therefore n of C is equal to 4. therefore P of C is equal to n of C upon n of S that is equal to 4 upon 9, and therefore probability of getting a red balloon is 2 upon 9, getting a blue balloon is 1 upon 3, and getting a green balloon is 4 upon 9.